Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how did I ended up paying $200 when initially I was only willing to pay $20 for a pair of Bermudas. I consider myself a thrifty person, but on that particular day, I must have been possessed because there's no way that I would spend money this way. But before we go on, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. So here's the story. Well, Chinese New Year is around the corner and I intended to get a pair of Bermudas for Chinese New Year. And well, since I'm doing some shopping in Taiwan, so why not? It was a bad idea. I was walking along the streets full of fashion shops, well, mainly for ladies, and I chanced upon a signage, $20 signage on a roll of Bermudas. Finally, a men's fashion shop. So I quickly took the chance to browse through the roll of Bermudas since I only saw one men's fashion shop. So it took me about a minute to pick one. While I was going to the counter for payment, I passed by a few pair of, well, pretty nice pants. Yeah, I do need a new pair of pants, but no hurry, no urgency at that point in time. It is not something that I need now. It is not something that I'm going to get it for Chinese New Year anyway. And the shop owner noticed my interest on those pants. And I can tell that she takes pride in her business. Later on, there's one incident that reinforced this point. She went over to those pants that I was looking, picked up one of them, and passed it to me. This will fit you nicely. Nah, I don't think so. I turned her down, but she insisted, just test it. The fitting room is behind. And you knew what? She was right. Every part of the pants fits perfectly comfortable. I was impressed. In my mind, I was praising her quietly, right, for understanding, for knowing my size. But before I was done complimenting her quietly, she passed me a matching jacket. This is for you. And she held up the jacket, waiting for my arms to slide through the sleeve. Gosh, she was right again. And then this incident happened. This incident taught me a huge business lesson. While I was looking at a mirror, a family of 3 came in. The couple has a teenage son, tall boy, tall boy. And the boy was browsing through the clothes. And the shop owner went up to them, told them, my clothes here, my fashion is not for you. What the hell? Hello? She's turning away customer. And it takes guts, okay? And she's basically telling the customer, I don't need your business, I don't need your money. Huge business lessons for me. Of course, in the end, I walked out $200 poorer, but $1,000 smarter in appearance and in the mind. What are the business and sales lessons from this experience? First, she knows her product very well. She has full grasp about her product sizes, not an inch less or an inch more. 2, she knows her potential customers very well. One look at me, she knows whether her fashion suits me and whether her sizes of the product will fit me well. 3, she catches minor action and behaviors from her potential customers. One glance at her pants, immediately she can tell that I have interest. 4, she knows who are not her target customers. She doesn't even want to waste time on them. Well, although I spent $200 on an initial $20 budget, but I think it is a money well invested. I gain lessons. I look better, hopefully. Alright, but thank you for watching this video. Hey, but do like this video and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.